What's going on, guys? Steve Satin here with Beyond the Build. In today's episode, we're replacing our rack and pinion on our Nissan 350Z. On the way home from a car show, we did lose power steering, and I checked the reservoir, it was empty. So, Sally has already had about 170,000 miles on her frame. So we're gonna go and replace the rack and pinion, diagnose the problem, and go from there. So let's get to work. Alright, so first things first, of course, we're gonna have to go and jack up the car, put it on jack stands, and go from there. New rack and pinion, or the refurbished rack and pinion. We're gonna throw it into Sally. It looks pretty good. Looks alright, but this should be a solution to our problem with Sally losing power steering and all that kind. So let's get to work. Okay, right now we're underneath the car, and I think I found a problem. If you look right here at the power steering lines, one of the lines are actually hitting the header, so we're gonna go ahead and take apart the rack and pinion, take it off, and see if there's any damage to that line. That could be the suspect. If not, we're gonna go ahead and go through all the lines and make sure and see which one is the problem or what is causing the problem. Alright, so we went ahead and put a little bit of fluid into the reservoir just to check where it was leaking. Right away, you could tell it's leaking right here. So that is our suspect right there, where it is leaking. So we're going to continue and go from there. Try to diagnose the problem, but I think we've already found it. It's right here. I think I might put a little more fluid and start up the car and see what happens. Oh, well, yep, there's a leak. Alright, so our old rack and pinion is out. We found out where it was leaking. It's actually this part right here.
Perfect.
Go to the hard lines. Oh yeah. If you can look a little bit closer, I don't know if I can focus, but our header actually burned through it. There's a big leak right here. So I think with the new lines, we're gonna try to bend it a little bit more aggressively so that it's out of the way of the headers. So let's go and get the other one cleaned up and ready, prepped, and to the Z. Put it into the Z. Let's get to it. Okay, after putting these side by side and actually test fitting the new one, it looks like it's different though. The OEM one, we have these hard lines actually go to, it's perpendicular, or I'm sorry, it's parallel to the rack and pinion. On this side, it's almost like the new one is like almost like a 90. So this actually clears the headers much better. So yeah, this install should be easy. Yeah, everything should actually just plug and play and just bolts right in. Okay, as you guys can see, the new rack and pinion is already in. Man, I just love new car parts. It looks so clean. Check it out. SPL outer tie rod ends. Come on. Focus, come on. Focus. Focus. Come on. Bam! This car's gonna be drift ready. Now we're gonna go ahead and add some power steering fluid and do a couple turns left and right and see if there's any leaks. Most likely, well, we'll see. Hopefully this new one is pretty good, so we won't have any issues. So let's get to it. Sponsor me. Alright guys, so off camera I went ahead and put everything back together, put the rack and pinion back in, also did the brace underneath as well. I'm going to do a double check on everything, make sure everything's tight and secure. We're going to start the car, do a couple turns left and right, make sure there's no leaks. Yeah, we also put on the SPL outer tie rods on, and man, they look, whew, they look great. I'm going to put the wheels back on and we'll go get in. We'll get in alignment early in the morning tomorrow. Tomorrow, early in the morning. Good morning, guys. It's the next day. Woke up, took a shower, cut my hair real quick. And right now we're gonna clean Sally, get her ready for the tuner show, and then get her to go get an alignment, and from there, head to rolling. Okay. Okay, let's go. That is buttery smooth. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. She's ready. Alright, so long story short, we're back home. So over there at Les Schwab, the guys took a look at it and they said the SPL outer tie rod ends looked weird. No, it looked out of a line and it wasn't fully threaded on. So there's something wrong with those ones. I think either SPL sent me the wrong ones, or I could have probably done something wrong, but you know, honestly, there's not enough thread to get the cast nut down all the way. So I drove back home, lifted home, go install the OEM ones. I noticed that the nuts and actually the threads are strict on them too. So well, I was in a dilemma. Ended up going to O'Reilly's, getting a new set. So we're gonna install those and head back to alignment, and hopefully make roll in time. So let's get to work, guys. All right, guys. Two different shops would not take us because it was aftermarket, but finally made it out here. Big brand is taking care of us. Keep the money local, keep the businesses local. But yeah, here's Sally. Just finally going up the ramps. I get nervous when I'm yeah, going up on these ramps because I tend to ride a clutch a lot and I stalled it like 3 times. But yeah, she's gonna be aligned.
All the specs right here, green for Mr. Sir Steven.
Oh, all right, yeah.
Before and after craziness right now. So.
Look at that, look, that's way off. Bro, look at this. What are you doing, honey? What are you doing? Okay, you know, it was ratchet, but now it's not as ratchet. Let's take it off the rack.
All right.
Shout out to Big Brand. Yeah, man. Make sure you follow his Instagram. Really cool dude. Yeah. Shout out to crew and NVS and all them.
Thanks for saying what's up.
Yeah.
We'll help you out for anything.
Yeah, for sure, man. Well, it's time to haul ass and make a roll in time in Los Angeles.
Yeah.
All right, that's it, dude. All right. Actually follow the rules. Follow the law. Don't haul ass. Hey, Joel. Sup, sexy boy?
What up?
How you doing, bro?
Good, bro. How are you?
Good, man.
Are you booth car or just general car?
Just general car,
okay,
man.
Let's go.
Whee! Look at this stage. Wow. I've never actually seen the whole convention center just empty. Now it's time to clean. I'm gonna clean the car, set up everything. Actually, I don't have any microfiber, so we're just gonna leave the car and wait for Jolene to pick us up. See you guys tomorrow. So.